What is the process for finding the media when you first do the install of the boxes? So when you first unpack it, you get it connected to your network. How does it find the media that, say, is on your servers in your house or just your other PCs?
Okay, so actually Boxee has a variety of ways to getting your media to the box, to your TV or box or PC, Mac or Linux. First thing that you do is actually you can add your content to Boxee via SMB. And Boxee would then just go and start scanning it. We can actually show that. Would you like to do that? Okay. So right now I do have some content here locally. And the most basic way is just to go and browse. So that's a very, very easy first way. Another thing that we do is once you actually let Boxee know where that content is, we would go ahead and try to scan it and understand what it is. So if we can actually identify it, like we did in this case, we would go to the internet, we'd pull the cover art, the song list. So you have all this in this very, very simple UI, no navigation, no going through menus, etc., etc. Just flat out with search capabilities, filters, genres, artists, etc., etc. The other way to acquire content is actually through our App Store, which is very, very much like the Apple App Store. So basically, you have all these apps. We have a very simple API available online at developer.boxee.tv. The API is based on Python and XML. And you can create, as an app developer, you can create your own UI, your own experience for Boxee, and users can install it very, very easily, like I just did.
Say I have a Netflix subscription. Now, it works with it. Now, my question is, you know how you can pull TV shows off Netflix and movies off Netflix for on demand? Will it just be part of your movies, like as far as just in the movie thing, or do I have to go to the Netflix app and then to the movies that are on my queue, or how would that work?
So we are actually working with Netflix to bringing the entirety of Netflix collection into that movie database and TV database that we currently present.
What type of wireless does it support, and will it be able to stream fully with HD content at 1080p, 1080i, 720p? What will we be covering?
Okay, so the box is actually spec'd out to be 1080p. It's connected to your TV via HDMI. We should be able to stream up to that bandwidth, to 1080p. Sorry.
Okay, one last question. Now, it has social integration tools. I see the Facebook. I also saw like what your friends are watching and all that stuff. How do you see that being expanded and used with the Boxee Box for the everyday user?
Right, so as you mentioned, right now we already are integrated with Facebook, with Twitter, with FriendFeed, and a variety of other services where you as a user can actually put your information on the web. You can push information from Boxee to tell your friends, hey, I like this TV show, I like this episode, I like this picture, I like this music album. The next step for us, which is coming real soon, is actually doing it the other way around. So if a friend recommends to you on Facebook a video clip, we would actually be able to bring that in directly into the Boxee home screen and make it available into your feed.
Thank you very much for your time.